Three bottles of liquids are labelled A, B and C. One is hexene, one is ethanol, one is ethanoic acid. What could you do to identify each liquid? Well, hexene to start with. Hexene, the ending is ENE, that makes it an alkene. That means we can test for it with bromine water. We're going to add bromine water. Bromine water is decolorized with alkenes. With ethanol and ethanoic acid, ethanol and ethanoic acid, it will stay orange. So hexene is the only one to decolorize bromine water. Now we don't need to know the structure of hexene for the GCSE, so we don't need to do an equation for that reaction. We could, however, show that the carbon, double bond carbon there, let's use ethene, is going to react with the bromine water, because the double bond is what reacts to the bromine water. Now you do need to know this for the GCSE, you do need to know that the bromine will add over the double bond. So that's why the hexene will react, because it has a double bond. This is colourless and this is orange. So that's why bromine will be decolorized by alkenes, because it reacts across that double bond. Right, next one. Should we do ethanoic acid next? Ethanoic acid is an acid. So let's react it with something like sodium carbonate. If we react it with a metal carbonate. Okay, so ethanoic acid is going to be C. Let's do our ethanoic acid there. I've drawn the structure, you can put the formula down if you want to. It's going to react with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Any carbonate will do, because acid plus metal carbonate makes salt, and this is going to make sodium ethanoate. Okay, so that looks like this. Instead of the H, you have an Na. So it's very, very similar. You just replace that H there with the Na. Sodium ethanoate plus water plus carbon dioxide. And you can test the gas. Test gas with lime water. And it will go cloudy. The others do not react with sodium carbonate. So ethanol will not react with either Na2CO3 or bromine water, Br2 aqueous. And that's how we can identify the three of those. All these questions on elshamhighchemistry.com.